Thank you, sir, for the visit. At we are too glad. We are too glad na kami ang naunang dinalaw nyo. Okay. Ito yung mga parents. Mag-aaral uli sila. Ito yung mga parents natin. Mag-aaral muli sila. Ayan. We have Sir Tong talking with the parents of our incoming grade 1, school year 2009-2010. Yan, yung mga parents, happy-happy sila. Pero mag-enroll kayo uli, grade 1 kayo uli.